Oh, this is so cool. I have never been to a jazz club before. Oh, I hope we can get a table.
Find us some shade. Thanks, out nice.
Right this way, sir. Oh, why, thank you.
I am so loving this.
Oh, me too.
I'll be right back.
All right. Peter?
This is for you.
Double time.
Hippie. This will be take one again. Excuse me, yo, what's the first to go? The body or the mind? 'Cause I'm losing both in these strange times. Strange times. Well, you can come and take a ride with me. It's alright with me. It's all love, no rivalry. I'm trying to part the sea between transparency and reality. I don't have time for all the heresy. It's so embarrassing. Ill ride through a semi-villainous mind. Interact your own peril, you might face your demise. All the lies I despise, no sense of meaningless ties. I don't like the pride, but I've seen about 9 homeless guys, all holding up signs that read the end is nigh. And you're like, nah, I'm no hero type, I'm on standby. The time is up, Steve, call up the Verde Stone, so I can find a younger chasing his Atlanta home. Before he loses control of his ego, green within me like Shigo, clowning like Nemo, bearing down on the competition, the descendant was up to Zemo. Excuse me, yo, what's the first to go? The body or the mind? 'Cause I'm losing both in these strange times. Strange times.
Now dig on this.
Black mirror in my hand, make me feel like I'm the man. Help me find the latest trends, look and talk like all my friends. Cop and rock the dopest brands, man I swear it never ends. Shake it off, stick to the plan. I don't wanna be the man, handing you the upper hand. Show you the word, and I'm not even a rapper, I'm an English major. Excuse me, yo, what's the first to go? The body or the mind? 'Cause I'm losing both in these strange times.